You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, this name from French. Noailles. This is the name of a city or town, and it's also the neighborhood in Marseille. It might be other things. What are you here for? Let me know in the comments. I'd be interested to know. In French, in France, it is said as Noailles, 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 silent S. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.